Each of us has experienced resentment at some point in our lives, but what if we could transform this negative emotion into an opportunity for growth and healing? In this video, we will explore the power of empathy and understanding in overcoming resentment and fostering a journey to mutual understanding. Resentment is a natural response to perceived mistreatment or injustice, but when left unaddressed, it can fester and damage our relationships. The key to healing resentment lies in cultivating empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we can see things from another person's perspective, we open the door to meaningful communication, deeper connections, and ultimately, mutual understanding. The first step in this journey is to acknowledge our own feelings and emotions. By recognizing and validating our own experiences, we can start to see the underlying causes of our resentment. This self-awareness lays the foundation for empathetic communication with others. Next, practice active listening. This means fully focusing on the other person, asking open-ended questions, and genuinely seeking to understand their perspective. By doing so, we not only show respect and care for their feelings, but we also gain valuable insights into the root causes of the conflict. Once we have listened and understood the other person's viewpoint, it's time to express our own feelings and needs. Use I statements to communicate your emotions and desires without blaming or accusing the other person. This approach fosters a more open and constructive dialogue, paving the way for healing and resolution. Finally, work together to find a solution that meets both parties' needs. This collaborative approach not only strengthens the relationship, but also helps to prevent future resentment from arising. Remember, the goal is to achieve mutual understanding and support, not to win the argument. In conclusion, healing resentment and fostering mutual understanding requires empathy, active listening, and open communication. By following these steps and embracing the journey, we can transform our relationships, repair emotional wounds, and create deeper connections with those around us. Remember, every act of understanding brings us one step closer to a more compassionate and harmonious world. Please like and subscribe.